Are you looking to increase your brand's visibility, engage with your audience, and drive results through social media? Our expert social media management team is here to help you create and execute a powerful strategy that takes your online presence to the next level. You develop a custom social media plan that aligns with your business goals and speaks directly to their target audience. Content is key to successful social media marketing. Our team creates visually appealing content designed to engage your followers. You optimize your presence across all major platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Our team actively engages with your followers, responds to comment, and fosters a sense of community around your brand. We continuously track your social media efforts using data and analytics to fine-tune strategies and maximize growth. Let us take the stress out of social media management so you can focus on growing your business. With our expertise, your brand will stand out, engage with the right audience, and achieve real results. For your digital marketing, web development, and e-commerce needs, please visit us at www.zionike.net. Thank you for watching Zionike digital marketing videos. Please check our channel for other exciting and informative videos. Like, share, and subscribe for many more to come soon. Bye!